Hey everyone, this is Richard again here at the Car Barn, Hurricane, Utah. And today I'm driving in a little 2005. It's a little Chevy Malibu. This is a great little buy here, pay here car. Just tell you right up front, this one comes with a rebuilt, restored title. I'll be glad to go over the information with you on what the reason for that is. Generally, it can be a theft recovery or something that's been in an accident where maybe it was a little more to fix than normally it would be valued at to do the repairs. So they'll consider it a total loss. And what can do is really give you a vehicle that gets repaired well, drives essentially like it was normal, but it's just a lot less money because it has a title issue. So pretty simple, straightforward, not something that everybody wants to do, and certainly for traditional bank financing it's a little rough, but this creates a really good opportunity if you have just no other options and ways to go to get a good dependable little car and be able to make payments on it without having any real credit issues that you have to deal with. So anyway, I've been driving the car about 10-15 minutes. Seems to run good, it shifts nice. Engine sounds good. Air is nice and cold. It's about 103 out, I think, right now, so good warm temperatures. And my goal really in doing these videos is to be totally transparent, to let you know what we know about a vehicle, give you as much information as we can so you know whether it's worth your time to come and take a look at it. Last thing we want to do is to be misleading or not give you enough information to make a decision or to know whether it's worth coming and take a look at it. So I'm going to pull over right up here in the shade and go over some of the features, benefits of this car, and just point out a few things, maybe even a little bit of the flaws that we have on the vehicle, so that you can make your best decision if it's something that's worth coming to take a look at. If you are looking at getting financing, whether it be through credit unions or you need to do something in more of an in-house where we carry the loan type of program, just go to barnloan.com. That's one word, just barnloan.com. Fill out the forms, really simple, and then we'll be able to follow up with you, let you know what we can come up with as far as credit union approvals, or if we need to do something through ourselves. Usually in about 30 minutes or less, we can have some really good answers for you. That way you know up front what to kind of expect as far as payments, down payment, any of the terms, that kind of thing. But real quick, before I shut it off, I'm just going to go over the inside a little bit, because it is hot out there. Then I'm going to shut off and get out and go from there. But it's a CD player, pretty basic, but it sounds good and really easy to operate. Down below that, you got controls for your heat and air conditioning. And then below that, you do have a traction control. This is a front-wheel drive car. And then basically a plug-in for power and whatnot. It is an automatic, obviously, and again, it does shift and runs very well. And this particular car has 153,000 miles on it at the moment. 2005, so actually not bad miles at all. Let's get out of the car real quick and take a look. I will point out also it does have keyless entry, key fob, and security system, an alarm on it. And take a look at the doors and whatnot. You're seeing this car before it's actually been detailed. We've gone through to do the service on it and get it checked out mechanically. Well, we're going to show it to you anyways. You get a little bit of a head start. Driver's door panel still use a little bit of a cleanup, but in good shape. There's no holes, tears, or burns, things like that. So that's in good shape. Going over real quick on the dash, that's also in really good condition. There's no cracks or anything that I'm seeing. No deformed areas. And it does have some really nice heavy-duty rubber mats that came with it. Carpets appear to be in good shape underneath there. Seats are in really good shape. I was actually surprised. No holes, no tears, no scuffs, no cigarette burns. This is a non-smoker vehicle. And then up on the headliner, in really good shape there. Okay. Passenger seat will come around and look a little better, but looks pretty good there. Center console's in good shape. Nice and smooth. A little bit of actually pretty normal, I guess. So take a look in the back real quick. It is a power seat, by the way, on the front. Makes it pretty comfortable. Back door in good shape. And if you see any little stains and things like that, we can always work on cleaning those up. But mechanically is what we're really focused on, and then giving you a pretty good idea of what the condition is as of right now. So seats overall in good shape. Again, some little minor staining, but for what it is, you want a car with a payment that's affordable and still being able to do it with really, pretty rough credit. This can be a great option for you. Carpets are in good shape. And let's go around the other side. Then we're going to come back around the outside a little closer. Door panel, pretty good shape. A little bit of a fabric coming off there. Pretty minor, but again, we're not here to try to hide anything. We want you to know what you're getting. And you can do your own comparison and really find out what kind of a value you've got there. I can't stress enough that to us, a car being pretty is all amazing, but being dependable is everything. It's kind of hard to make a payment on a car if it's not running very well. Okay, so passenger front door, pretty good shape, and seat also in really good shape there, and carpet's in good shape. So okay, let's go take a look around the outside real quick. Hopefully this wind is getting a little breezy out here. I will point out as I'm going around, tires are brand new, I believe, all the way around, so matching. And going on the outside, starting up here, get some little noise here real quick. So again, 2005, not perfect cosmetically. Got a little bit of fading on the hood, but overall, not in bad shape. And I'll point out a little bit, got some faded on the paint on the roof. And then going down the door, we got a little dent right at the top there. But this is a car that you're looking at for payments. Hopefully dependability is the most important issue to you. And in pretty good shape on the rest. Does have a little spoiler on the back. As you can tell, this is the LS. This is a V6 model. And then coming down this side, actually in pretty good shape. No real dents or dings over here. Might be a little one right in there. But that is it. So actually overall, and then, sorry, forgot about this corner. It does have a little bit of damage up here in the front corner. Personally, I wouldn't worry about fixing it. It's not affecting anything. You want a car that's got a lot of value and a payment that's affordable for you. Runs and drives awesome. And we can always address other issues and go from there. But if you need help with this one, go again to barnloan.com, fill out the form, or you can reach us direct. You can reach me at 435-773-2022 if you have issues related to financing and getting approved. Again, my name's Richard, or you can call our store at 435-215-7362. Thanks for watching our videos, and hope you have an awesome day.